In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Workspace URL in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to make your way into your Slack environment. This could be through the desktop application if you have it installed, or simply by logging in via your preferred web browser at app.slack.com. Once you're in, take a moment to get acquainted with the interface if you're not already, as this will make the process smoother. Now, to find your Slack Workspace URL, direct your attention to the top left corner of the Slack window. Here, you'll see your profile name prominently displayed. This area is crucial, as it serves as a gateway to further details about your Slack account and workspace. Gently click on your profile name. This action will open up a drop-down menu that contains a variety of options related to your Slack settings and personal information. In this menu, you'll see an array of useful options, but today, we're particularly interested in identifying the unique URL that defines your Slack workspace. The workspace URL often takes this format, yourcompany.slack.com. It's this URL you will use to access your specific Slack environment, so remember, it's quite important. In the details presented, you'll either directly spot the URL or be able to access it by clicking through more options like View Profile or similar options where the URL may be visible in the account settings area. No worries if you're not seeing it right away. It can sometimes require just a little bit of clicking around to pinpoint the exact location, as Slack occasionally updates its interface. Locating this URL is particularly useful, not only for logging in, but also if you're inviting colleagues to join your workspace or need to configure other integrated services. Keep in mind, if you're working in multiple Slack workspaces, each one will have its own distinct URL. This ensures you land in the right space when you're switching between different groups or projects. And there you have it, a straightforward way to find your workspace URL in Slack. With this knowledge, you'll have direct access and the ability to share this URL when needed. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.